$10 million people studied, the processed food scam versus the carnivore solution. Have you ever wondered why you feel constantly sick, anxious, or tired, even when you try to eat better? Do you feel like you're playing a cruel, losing game with your health, with chronic issues slowly tightening the grip? The truth is, Big Food and Big Pharma have been playing a dangerous game with your life, and the weapon is disguised as convenient food. I am Mirza from Carnivore Cure. Welcome! If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Today, we're diving deep into the largest ever study on diet. A comprehensive umbrella review published by the British Medical Journal, BMJ, compiling data on over 10 million people. The findings are shocking. A definitive link between ultra-processed foods, UPFs, and a spectrum of dreadful health issues affecting over 80% of adult Americans, from heart issues and diabetes to cancer and mental health problems. The good news? The solution is already found in the carnivore diet. 1. The ultra-processed trap. Chronic disease mechanisms. The BMJ study, which systematically reviewed 45 unique pooled analyses, serves as a powerful indictment of the modern, ultra-processed diet. It essentially proves that eating convenient, packaged foods is the quickest path to chronic disease and early death. The heart disease catastrophe. The study found a staggering 66% increased risk of death from heart disease among people with the highest UPF intake compared to the lowest. This significant jump in risk is linked to specific culprits in these processed options. Unhealthy fats. UPFs are often abundant in saturated and trans fats, which elevate bad LDL cholesterol and promote the buildup of plaque within artery walls. This plaque narrows arteries, restricting blood flow to the heart. Excessive sodium. Many UPFs are overflowing with sodium, a major contributor to high blood pressure, hypertension, a well-established risk factor for heart disease. High blood pressure forces the heart to work harder, eventually leading to heart failure. The punchline. Your food is literally designed to kill your heart by raising blood pressure and clogging arteries. The diabetes epidemic and insulin spike. The research highlights a worrying association between UPF consumption and type 2 diabetes, with individuals having the highest intake showing a 40% increased risk of developing this chronic condition. Sugar overload. The link is partially explained by the high sugar content prevalent in many UPF choices. Added sugars lead to sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, the body struggles to keep up with the constant demand for insulin to manage these spikes. Insulin resistance. This leads directly to insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes where the body can't effectively utilize insulin to regulate blood sugar. Left uncontrolled, diabetes can lead to severe complications, including heart disease, stroke, and nerve damage. Anecdote 1. The convenience cure. David, a traveling salesman, lived off gas station sandwiches, chips, and sodas. He developed crushing fatigue and his doctor warned him about pre-diabetes. He was terrified of the carnivore diet because he thought he'd starve without carbs. He started packing cold steaks, butter sticks, and hard-boiled eggs. Within weeks, his energy stabilized. He said, "It's actually easier to eat carnivore on the road than to constantly search for the least worst processed trash." His blood sugar normalized within 2 months. 2. Systemic inflammation and the domino effect. The adverse effects of ultra-processed foods go far beyond the heart and blood sugar, creating a systemic domino effect that leads to overall mortality and mental health collapse. Overall mortality and chronic inflammation. The BMJ study revealed a direct link between UPF consumption and overall mortality, early death. This is the culmination of the negative health effects discussed earlier. The domino effect. Chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, all linked to UPFs, interact and exacerbate each other. For instance, uncontrolled diabetes significantly worsens heart health, increasing the risk of death. The silent killer. Beyond the numerical data, there's compelling evidence that chronic low-grade inflammation, triggered by UPF consumption, plays a massive role. These foods are often devoid of fiber and packed with refined carbohydrates, which disrupt gut health and promote the release of inflammatory markers. Chronic inflammation is now recognized as a significant contributor to almost every chronic disease. Obesity and mental health breakdown. The study identified a highly suggestive link between UPFs and obesity, a 40% to 66% increased risk, and a concerning association with mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. Engineered to overeat, UPFs are designed to be hyperpalatable, meaning they're specifically formulated to override your natural satiety signals, leading to overconsumption and weight gain. They are high in calories from cheap fats and refined carbohydrates, but low in fiber, which normally helps you feel full. Nutritional deficiencies and mood. UPFs are often lacking in essential nutrients like B vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain function and the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Deficiencies in these nutrients can contribute to symptoms of depression and anxiety. The gut-brain connection. Emerging research strongly suggests a connection between the gut microbiome and mental health. Ultra-processed foods can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut bacteria, potentially leading to inflammation and impacting the production of mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Anecdote 2. Anxiety and the cookie jar. Maria used to manage her stress with highly processed sweet snacks. She didn't realize that the blood sugar spikes and crashes from the cookies were directly causing her afternoon anxiety and evening irritability. Once she adopted the carnivore diet and eliminated all sugar and processed ingredients, her anxiety began to lift. She humorously noted, "I realized the cure for my anxiety wasn't medication. It was just eating a steak instead of a sleeve of Oreos." Cancer concerns. While researchers suggest more data is needed to fully understand the cause and effect, the study suggests a strong link between ultra-processed foods and some cancers. Nutrient shortfall. UPFs are low in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a vital role in repairing DNA and protecting cells from damage. Deficiencies in these protective nutrients create an environment that's more favorable for cancer development. 3. The carnivore solution. Natural immunity. So, who are the lucky ones mostly safe from all these health hazards? As we hinted earlier, the answer lies in eliminating the processed poison and embracing an ancestral, species-appropriate diet. The power of the pure carnivore diet. Our friends who are following the carnivore diet with consumption of all natural and organic meat products are pretty much on the safer side of things. The reason is simple. The carnivore diet eliminates 100% of the ultra-processed foods identified as the culprits in the BMJ study. Fatty red meat and healthy fats. The nutritional profile of fatty red meat, grass-fed butter, and organic eggs helps sustain an extremely healthy persona. These foods provide the necessary saturated and monounsaturated fats that support hormone production and increase the good HDL cholesterol, actively reversing the heart risks posed by UPFs. Zero sugar, zero spikes. By consuming zero refined carbohydrates and sugars, the carnivore diet naturally keeps blood sugar stable, eliminating the dangerous spikes and resulting insulin resistance linked to type 2 diabetes. Nutrient density. Red meat and organ meats are the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, flooding your body with the heme iron, B vitamins, and zinc necessary for brain function, DNA repair, and fighting the chronic inflammation caused by the processed diet. Anecdote 3. The inflammation reversal. Jeff suffered from severe psoriasis and inflammatory joint pain, signs of high chronic inflammation. Doctors gave him creams and painkillers, but the underlying issue remained. When he committed to a strict carnivore diet, focusing on beef and water, his pain started to subside. After 6 months, his skin cleared up and his joint pain was virtually gone. He realized the food he was eating was fueling the fire of his inflammation, and the carnivore diet was the only thing that gave his body a break. Final thoughts. Choose real health. The findings of this 10 million-person BMJ study on adverse health effects of ultra-processed foods are the wake-up call we all need. The science is clear. The most dangerous thing you can consume is not red meat, but the packaged, hyper-palatable convenience foods that dominate the grocery store shelves. The simple, natural, whole food approach of the carnivore diet is the ultimate defense against the modern plague of chronic disease. Do share your experiences in the comments. They could vastly help others on the same path. Subscribe to at ms-Mirza Carnivore Cure. I'm not a doctor. Consult a healthcare professional before making major diet changes.